Hey everyone, JT from Ebike Escape, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the new Aventon Soltera. Before we get to the unboxing and quick overview of the Aventon Soltera, I just wanted to introduce myself a little bit. I know I've been in front of the camera a little bit here on the Ebike Escape channel, and I've just never introduced myself to you guys before. So who am I and why am I here? Both very valid questions. But my name is JT, and I met Ryan about a year ago. I learned that he was reviewing e-bikes, and I was really intrigued by that and was excited to learn about how I could get involved in helping him review e-bikes or really with anything e-bike related. So I've mostly just been behind the scenes helping him edit videos, work on bikes, install a rack here and there, as you guys have seen. Along with working on bikes, one of my other favorite things is mountain biking. Really have a passion for getting out in the woods and riding around on two wheels. So when the snow finally melts here in Wisconsin, I'm excited to get out on a couple of Z-bikes on the road and really put some miles down that way. With that little introduction out of the way, I just want to remind everybody, if you are thinking about purchasing an Aventon Soltera, please use the link in the description. That helps Ebike Escape continue to make videos like this. There will also be links to our e-bike accessories page, our e-bikes discount codes page, and our top e-bikes brands page. Links on those three pages also help Ebike Escape. With that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing of the Aventon Soltera. And that is pretty much it for the quick assembly of the bike. Give me a quick kind of overview of some of the key things that we really like about this bike. The full review of this bike will be out when the snow finally clears on our Wisconsin roads. One of the nice things you get with the Aventon Soltera is you really get some of that really nice Aventon frame quality. You see all the smoothed welds, and then of course the gorgeous paint and color schemes that you know Aventon is really known for.
Hey guys, Future Editing JT here. I just wanted to jump out here real quick and give you guys a closer look at some of the colorways the Soltera is offered in. One thing to note about the colors is that there are 3 different colors for each model versus the step through and the high step model. So the color options that the step through model are available in are not the same as the colors that the high step model will be available in. The 3 colors that the step through model is available in are Seafoam Green, Salmon Pink, and Moonrock Gray. While the high step model is available in Onyx Black, which is the color you see here, Citrine, which is like a bright yellow, and then my personal favorite, Azure Blue. Another thing Aventon does really nicely with a lot of their bikes, as we've seen in the Adventure, is they add various decals and accent colors in other places around the bike, which really help them pop even more than they already do. So with that quick look at the colors, go ahead and jump back into the quick unboxing and overview of the Aventon Soltera.
Now this is a single speed version of the Soltera. They do offer this bike in 2 versions, the single speed you see here, as well as the 7-speed. There is a price difference between the 2. The single speed comes in as the most affordable Aventon bike at $11.99, and the 7-speed is offered at $12.99. The Soltera is also Aventon's lightest bike. The single speed comes in at just 41 pounds, and the 7-speed comes in just a little higher at 43 pounds. One of the other nice things Aventon did with the Soltera, which you don't see from most manufacturers, is they kept the same screen as well as the same app capability as all their other bikes. So you're really not giving up much by going to this smaller, lighter frame. Up here in the cockpit, you'll also notice that this bike does have a throttle. On a lot of the other single speeds that we've ridden or tested, they're strictly pedal assisted. So seeing a throttle is a really nice feature to see on the Soltera. While we're also up here, the Soltera does come with the Textro brakes with the built-in bell. The Soltera does also come equipped with road tires. The advertised range for the Aventon Soltera is about 41 miles. So it really puts this bike at a good place for commuting or around city riding. And with that, that pretty much wraps up our quick overview and unboxing of the Aventon Soltera. Again, if you are looking to purchase one of these bikes, please consider using the links in the description, as that really does help Ebike Escape. I look forward to seeing you guys in the summer a little bit more, when we can actually get out and give you guys a full review of some of these wonderful bikes. Until then, we'll see you guys in the next one.